Hello, everyone. Are you wondering about the average salary for a Python developer in the United States? Let's explore. The average annual salary for a Python developer is approximately $108,700, which translates to about $9,060 per month. After federal taxes, the take-home pay would be roughly $85,000 annually, or about $7,100 monthly. Where you live plays a significant role in how much you earn. States like California, with an average salary of $125,000, New York with $122,000, and Massachusetts with $121,000, offer higher pay. On the other hand, states like West Virginia, with $82,000, Florida with $83,000, and South Dakota with $83,000 have lower average salaries. Experience also impacts earnings. Entry-level Python developers with less than 3 years of experience can expect to earn around $72,500 annually. Mid-level professionals with 4 to 9 years of experience earn about $96,300 per year. Senior Python developers with 10 to 20 years of experience make approximately $126,300 annually, while those with more than 20 years of experience can earn up to $136,400. Educational qualifications and certifications further influence salary potential. Python developers with advanced degrees or certifications, such as Certified Python Developer or Certified Software Development Professional, tend to earn higher than average salaries, often exceeding $157,800 annually. In summary, the salary for a Python developer in the United States varies based on factors such as location, experience, and education, with earnings ranging from approximately $56,500 to over $157,800 annually. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.